Hello everybody, welcome back once again to the Alteryx tutorials. I am Mark Thompson with Watermark Data and pleased to be back with you again. This afternoon we're going to be taking on weekly challenge number 9. It's a fairly simple, it's a fundamental, and what it is taking, you've got this list of 29 records, and each one of them has a count. And what you want to do is put them in an order, a descending order, or an ascending order, really, of rank. And that is based on the highest first. And not just rank, but if you have two people that have the same score, they get the same rank. And so, just like it says up here, similar to a golf score, if you have two people who both get the exact same score in second, they're both in second. With that, let's jump in. This should be a fairly easy one. So we've got this list, 29 different names. First thing I'm going to do is sort it. I'm going to say by count ascending. So it did just that. Janet, Mark, Paul, Brady, Carla, Chris, and Linda, all here in this first little group. And this is where we'll spend our time today. This tool right here, although I expect we'll get through this in a minute or two, it's really not that hard. This is a multi-row formula tool, and it is in the preparation area, multi-row formula. See, right there. And what we're going to do in our multi-row formula is we're going to do essentially an if statement. It's just an if statement. It's just adding in the possibility for values in different rows. So the way we started out is if row minus 1 of rank. So that's the rank. This is the column that we're creating. If row minus 1, and you can see the variables here, and you've got minus 1 row, the current row that you're in, or you can do row plus 1. Now, if I wanted to do this, say number of rows, 2, 3, 4, 5, I could do that. But really, I only need just one row. And so if my rank row equals 0, so rank minus 1 equals 0, then my value is 1. So rank minus 1 row is up here, doesn't really exist. That makes mine 1. Next one, else if count, notice the count, equals row minus 1 count. So this current row minus 1, if that's the same, then it says then row minus 1 rank. So current row minus 1, what is that rank? Else row minus 1 rank plus 1. And then you end your if statement, right? And on the other side of that, you get the ranking. So you can see 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, all of those 14s, 4, 4, 5, 5, right? And then this is simply a filter, and we covered filters in another one. This is a very simple filter that says, hey, if the rank is less than 6, in other words, 1 through 5, give me the results. And here we are with our true and our false, the records that meet that criteria. We've got 12 rows. There's our first place. There's our second rank. There's our third. There's 4 of them. Here's our fourth rank. And we have 3 that come in 5. By the way, just in case you want to see where everybody else is, it comes out of the false. All right, that's it. Short and sweet this afternoon. Challenge number 9. I am Mark Thompson, Watermark Data. Please feel free, share with your friends, like, give me comments, and I will see you in the next one. As always, thanks for stopping by.